Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, May 2 to 4, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have a development of another low pressure area which formed during the past few days, last weekend. And it's now very close to the island of Mindanao. This is 90W, currently quasi-stationary for the past 6 hours, but it has a lower chances of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. So its trough or extension will bring isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms today until tomorrow. So expect to bring your umbrellas, rain gear, because this bad weather will continue to bring rains. So watch out for some possible flooding and landslides during the time where strong thunderstorms occur within this trough of the LPA. So this LPA will eventually dissipate within the next 2 days as it tracks very slowly across the southern part of the coastal areas of Mindanao over the Celebes Sea, while weaker easterlies will be expected across eastern Visayas and the Bicol region, including Polillo Island. But this easterlies is somewhat drier, and there's not enough moisture to affect the areas of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. But still, for the next 3 to 5 days, expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms to occur, particularly during the early or mid-afternoon. And up to the north, we have a developing frontal system. Actually, this is now the near the extreme end of this frontal system. This is a stationary front, stationary over the vicinity of extreme northern Luzon that includes Batanes, Babuyan Islands, Ilocos Norte, and northern Cagayan. So expect some thunderstorms to occur within this area. Some localized thunderstorms will also be expected across the Ilocos region and the Cordillera Autonomous region as well. So this is the usual springtime or hot dry season thunderstorms during the month of May as we move into the hottest part of the hot dry season, which is the month of May. So expect temperatures to go up to around 35 to 36 degrees with high heat index or temperature that we are going to feel reaching a high of or a peak of around 45 to 50 degrees, particularly over central Luzon, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will have a high heat index of around 40 to 45. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids or avoid walking directly under the high heat of the sun, especially during noontime and early afternoon. So there you go. That's the latest from our GovSat. There's nothing to worry about for the next 3 to 5 days. No tropical cyclone formation. And here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. This is the Himawari 8 satellite loop. As you can see, the stationary cloudiness of the LPA 90W remains over the various sections of Mindanao as the LPA continues to remain quasi-stationary. Frontal system here to the north. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation between 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. this evening, thunderstorms can still be observed across Mindanao because of the trough of LPA 90W, and the frontal system is also bringing some thunderstorms across extreme northern Luzon, with some development of localized thunderstorms across northern and central Luzon, while Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and portions of central and central and western Visayas will also experience some hot, dry conditions with lower chances of afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms. Now here's the forecast of the rain. Here's the latest rain forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days until Thursday. By tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we could expect more thunderstorms across the areas of Cagayan Valley, Ilocos region, and Cordillera region, as well as the islands of extreme northern Luzon, Batanes, Babuyan, Calayan, and also across Mindanao and some portions of Central Visayas. That includes Bohol. There might be some thunderstorms that is expected tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon. Come Wednesday afternoon, we still continue to experience some thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao and portions of the Visayas, and also across Ilocos region, Cagayan Valley, and Cordillera. These are localized thunderstorms, while the frontal system remains across Batanes and Babuyan Group Islands, while weak easterlies will be bringing some hot, dry, and lower chances of thunderstorms across Bicol region and eastern Visayas. Now on Thursday afternoon, same situation will prevail across the country. Thunderstorms over Mindanao, over central and western Visayas, and it's now extending across Sulu Archipelago and Palawan because of the remnants of the LPA 90W, which is expected to be fully dissipate on Thursday afternoon, and the usual thunderstorms will continue to prevail. These are afternoon thunderstorms across the various sections of northern Luzon. Here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. As you can see, the bulk of the rainfall will be expected across Mindanao and northern Luzon, including the Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands, where heavy rainfall will be expected because of the stationary frontal system. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, as you can see on Tuesday, the prevailing frontal system will still bring some northeasterly wind flow across extreme northern Luzon, while variable winds with some light winds from the east will prevail across the whole of the Philippine Islands. And on Wednesday afternoon, the same situation will prevail across the Philippine Islands until Thursday. So the general wind will be light winds from the east and some variable winds across Luzon as expected because of this hot, dry season. The La Nina phenomenon continues to weaken for the past months and week. And we expect to return to neutral or normal condition come June or July, which coincides with the start of the wet or rainy season. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for today until Thursday, May 5. And we will return on Wednesday, May 4 to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv or YouTube.com/MrTyphoon, and click the notification bell and our subscribe button for the updated situation of the weather across the Philippine Islands in the coming days, weeks, and months. Again, good night to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.